The sun is
Today
shining on
we
the
begin
water
our
so
gentle
bright.
swimming
We
lesson
are ready for
together.
a swimming lesson today. Grab your towel and your little swim bag tight. We will sing a song as we glide away.
I walk along this
We
quiet,
step through the
tiled
doors with
corridor
a cheery
now.
little grin. The hallway is glowing for us to begin. I hold my soft towel and my swim bag so neat. We follow the
A
path where
carrying
the
dog
cool
helps
waters
me
meet.
change into my suit.
Swimming lesson, gentle waves roll by, kicking our legs with a twirly
We step
little
through the
sigh.
pool.
Swimming
Shower, passage here.
lesson, safe and so sweet. Floating right here where the ripples
I
meet.
sit
We change
quietly
into our
and
swimsuit
listen
with a
to
helping
every
hand,
rule.
then walk through the shower and follow the plan. We sit by the water and watch what we do, following steps that are safe
We
for
hold the
me
rail
and you.
and step into the pool.
Drip drops, swimming lesson, soft ripples drift along, kicking our toes with a
I kick
sparkly
my
little
legs
song.
across the
Swimming
marsh
lesson, cozy and free. We glide on the water as bright as can be. I grip on the handrail
We
and
reach
dip
out
down
and
my
touch
toes.
that
The
floating
water
ring.
feels fresh as it gently flows. Swish, swish. I hold on to the board and I kick with my feet across the short lane where the little fish meet.
I climb up the steps and leave the
Swimming
water.
lesson, clear water shines bright, kicking our feet in the morning light.
A soft
Swimming
towel dries our skin so
lesson,
gently.
safe and so sweet. Floating right here where the calm waters meet. We climb up the steps
pack
with a
the
steady
wet
little
clothes
pace,
into a
then sit
bag.
on the bench to dry off our face. I pat down my skin with a towel soft and white, then pack up my wetsuit
I
and
wave
zip it
goodbye
just right.
and head home for today.
Swimming lesson, quiet waves roll near.